Okay guys, we are gonna visit the Porsche's factory, and apparently not allowed to video, so I don't know how much we can video, but we're gonna try to get as much footage as possible. Oh, check it out. Whoa. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Check it out. Hello. Hi.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Your Highness, for officiating the launch of the first local assembly facility for Porsche, the first of its kind outside of Europe.
Hey guys, so welcome to the inside. So it looks like the actual factory, but they just this up all for this event over here. But here we're in the event waiting area. Now, this is a really important milestone. Not only for Porsche, I think for Malaysia as well, because this is the first time ever outside of Germany they're assembling Porsches. What's really cool about this livery, all the press that's been invited here today, all the guests are all put onto this livery over here, this Cayenne. So we're gonna try to look if you can find oh, there you go, Horizon, Evo Malaysia, yeah, right. And Uncle Wise Gong. Cool. Right, so I can take you inside into the manufacturing area behind over there. But so a lot of people ask this question: hey, if I get CKD, CBU, will my car be any different? Now, it remains to be seen until all the cars roll out. But based on the current strategies I'm hearing, I think it's very reassuring. So there are some parts that are actually manufactured locally with some international brands. So for example, the front axle and rear axle of the car are from ZF, to name a few. Claron is in charge of the central console and so on and so forth. Their doors, they're manufactured by DRB Highcom and stuff like that. So okay, each car has roughly around 1,000 parts that are actually from Europe, and they are coming from 350 plus suppliers in Europe. Okay, so what they do is that they take all these parts, okay, for one car, 1,000 plus parts depending on the specs and what options they are. All of them, including the body, right, the chassis, actually goes into a container. One container sits 6 cars, and every part that's supposed to go to that chassis is shipped together in Europe. It's packaged in Europe and shipped over here. So think of it like this: like it's like IKEA, right? You buy a chair, a table, or something. All the parts necessary to build that specific car is there, right? So it's all checked and put into a box and shipped over here. Now, why is that important? The difference if other car manufacturers is that they import, like, let's say 1,000 part A, 1,000 part B, 1,000 part C, and then when they come over here, they sort of put this all together and so on and so forth. But in Porsche's strategy with Sam Darby over here is that it's all packaged up in Europe, and all the parts that you need is belonging to this car, one package, this car, this package. So they're all individual separate packages. So it's a different approach to assembly, and that's increasing the quality of product assembly, at least the quality of the item. No compromise, same standards with Germany. That's what I was told by one of the managers of the plant. Now, this packaging and assembly style should increase the quality because majority of the work and quality control is done at the hands of experienced technicians in Germany itself. Now, after the car is assembled and then started, the technicians put the car through a series of tests over here. And they do everything from water leak tests, driving dynamics tests, which they go uphill, downhill, braking, testing the safety systems and all. And they even run the Cayenne through rough roads to get a test for squeaks and creaks. Now, once all of that is passed, the car will roll out to our customers over here. So we just came up from the little press conference. So some things that I wanted to know and was answered over there. The question was, would there be assembly in the future for Boxsters, for Caymans? Well, the answer is a very, I think it's an acceptable answer. It depends on the local volume. If the volume can sustain that, they will consider doing it. So everything is still business in the end, right? You can't set up the plant and the technicians and everything and then you don't have buyers, right? So that is the main thing. So for now, only the Cayenne base spec is being assembled here in Malaysia. Nothing else. I mean, come on, the price of a Cayenne right now is so attractive. You know, it is. You know, it really makes you look away from the traditional SUVs, luxury SUVs. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Right. No, so this is a very proud moment as a Malaysian. I feel proud as a Malaysian because this is also a great, not only economic but socio-economic growth for Malaysia, because now you have skilled talents that are trained by Porsche themselves over here. There are 60 people right now in the assembly plant, and that's going to elevate the skill level, knowledge. To let the whole Southeast Asia or the world know that we can assemble, sports cars over here, or assemble Porsches over here. So this is a big step forward, I feel, for Sime Darby, Inocom, all the people involved in this matter. But also, just upskilling the employees, giving jobs and stuff like that. It's a very, very cool thing. But I think more than that, I feel that so regarding the plant, again, which I can't take you in. Currently, they're pushing around 3 cars a day. That's not their maximum output. They can actually handle more. So, of course, the goal is always depending on how the sales do, right? Remember, the way they're doing the shipping is not like I buy all the parts and then I slowly assemble over here. No, you see, if there's an order, they'll bring the parts in over here, then they assemble over here per car, right? All cars together in one. So, yeah, that is the it's always a sales-based question. Hopefully, we get to see more other models like Cayenne S, GTS in the future, again depending on demand, right? As you hear, there is time for food, so I gotta go, right? See you guys.